Hello and welcome again to our YouTube channel. In today's video from the WordPress series, we are going to see how to install our WordPress online on our domain. In the previous videos, we had seen how to install WordPress on our computer and we had operated a local server. Today we are going to see how to install it online. I'm going to show this demo on my account on Namecheap. Okay, for any web domain hosting, you will be having access to your cPanel. In the cPanel, you will find the file manager, which will show you all the folders of all your installations on this website or on this domain, and your main page, which is under the name of the domain, will be under the public HTML. But to add extra sites, you can add extra sites to your site. It depends on your web domain hosting, but for the most of them, they can allow you some add-on domains, so you can have another main domain, you can add it, and you can create subdomains to your main domain. We will see a demo for this now, and then we are going to install WordPress on it and access it online and publish it online. And at the demo, you can access this page to see how we went far with our installation. You can see here also there is PHP My Admin, which is including all the database. As you have seen, it's accessed from the local exam server we had installed on our computer. We can see that because the server hosting from Namecheap is having WordPress installation, so it's having PHP My Admin also to be able to manage your database. I will go to subdomains. My main domain is newcoder from Namecheap is newcoder.online, so I'm going to add WordPress as a subdomain. Create. Before buying your domain name, you need to confirm that they have WordPress installation online and not managed WordPress. Managed WordPress is different, that they have the WordPress already installed and you open a session from the WordPress. Okay, from here I return back to home and I have the app installer. This app installer is having many apps. One of them is WordPress. And I will be selecting the WordPress.newcoder, and then I will make quick install. You have two options: custom install and quick install. Okay, then I will use a quick install and install after that. Okay, then you need to make some settings. You need to select the site name. I will call it WordPress. I will call it WordPress tutorial. And the site description is my WordPress blog. Okay, I will not enable multiple accounts now. The admin account will be admin, and I will select admin also. This is very weak, but I don't know if they accept it or not. I select English. I don't need to select advanced options. You have themes, free themes here, so you can select your free themes from here. You will find more options maybe than the WordPress theme, so in any WordPress installation on your domain, you will find this option available, and these are free themes. I will go to install. Okay, it's done. My software is successfully installed, and here it's that's my access to it as admin, and here is the site itself. So if I clicked on this one, your connection is not private, I will accept to go now, because I didn't install the SSL certification for this site. So I'll proceed to it for now. It takes some time to install the SSL certification, which is the security certification. Then this not secure will be coming out of the box. You will find it is the same that as we were working and by admin. If I need to access the WordPress installations itself, you go to the other link, which is /WordPress admin. And because it's from my same computer, if I'm accessing it from different computer, it will be accessing it will be asking for my credentials to enter. Of course, when you are working online, please, it's advised to make the username and the password a little bit hard, because WP admin is everyone's access to your dashboard, so you don't like people to be accessing your dashboard when you use easy passwords. We can come to here, for example, if I like to add posts, you have the same posts, categories, tags. I have one post which is hello world. I will add a new post just as a demonstration. Of course, working online will depend on the speed of your internet connections. Maybe it will take a little bit longer time. That's why many people, they work on their computer and then they export what they work on their computers. They export it to their online site. And we will see in the coming video how to export some of the posts we had prepared in the previous videos to our online site. Step 1, install WordPress. On this installation or on this website, I will be saving the steps in written ways and in picture ways for all my videos about the installation of the WordPress and the customization and so on. So please follow up with me. So now I will I like to add some categories for this one. So I can add category. I don't have, okay, add new category. WordPress. And WordPress tutorial. And I will select the parent category as WordPress. Okay, I will add this new category. Okay, now I'm having these two categories, so this will be published under WordPress and WordPress tutorial. If we remember from previous explanation, we had said that tags, when I add tags here, it will come for the server. It will not be saved to be used in the other. It will not be demonstrated also. I cannot use it in my menu. So it's better to make tags from this menu tags. So I will publish this one just for demonstration to see how it looks. Okay, I will update it. Then I go to my site, okay, and I refresh it. You can see that step 1, install WordPress. That's our first blog. Here also you can see that it's starting with having the demonstration. My blog page is a home page. It's not having a separate home page because this one is from the settings. It is the same settings you were doing on your computer. So if you come here to settings, you You can see here that it's using my latest posts as the home page. If I need to select a static page, I need to have my pages. There's only the sample page, so we didn't make any pages yet, but you can generate a home page and select to make it its a static page, and then you go your post page will be another page. Okay, and for each post I can select from here to have a summary, and same as I can select it from my themes customization. So you can start this step and reflect on all our previous videos to make your posts directly online. And in the coming video we will see how we can export one of the posts to our online site. Thank you for following so far. I hope you had enough information to start your WordPress installation on your domain. Just make sure that your domain supports on its server WordPress installation. Thank you very much.